This is the completed assembly. At the moment, it has both the fan assemblies and the chin assemblies I assembled. It took me a little longer because I had to assemble partial assembly this evening because I thought I had them assembled, but only one part was done. This is the Arduino board. You can see that. And that's giving power to all of that. And then this is the battery pack. You could turn it off. You could see this from the click of a button, and then turn it back on, and then you get the effect. So I'll turn the light on just to demonstrate the corrugated foam or corrugated board that it sits on. The chin assemblies are not glued on or mounted at the moment, but as you can see, the board is made out of nylon. It will not fall apart when you mount it inside the helmet. There is stitching that allowed me to put and were installed the diffusers, which is a foam and the another sheet of nylon film to keep everything in place. The string is made out of nylon itself, so it won't tear after multiple use. I think it's pretty rigid. If you're still interested on the chin assemblies, let me know. If not, you could also order them yourself and assemble them. But essentially when I ship it, everything will be mounted, glued on, and ready for you to install. At some point in your helmet, you would go ahead, either put Velcro strips, which I'll send with you or with this shipment, and then you put the mating side against the helmet, so then the Velcro gets stuck in there. Or you could also use anchors to let you mount it with zip ties, which is what I use on my helmet. But it's a little more difficult to get that started, only because the mounting anchors I ended up screwing in there with a very small screw, which has kind of prevented it from ever pulling off. But Velcro should do the job, especially with the helmet that you got. It's got a very smooth surface, and the opposite side should hold on to that Velcro very well. All right, let me know if you're interested on the chin assemblies. Thanks.